Hi guys, good morning. I start with my stock pro disclaimer once again. So, stock trading contains substantial risk and not suitable for every investor. Every investor could possibly lose all or more than the initial investment. Risk capital is money that can be lost without risking one's financial security or lifestyle. So guys, with this, आज मुझे थोड़ा सा वीडियो बनाने में देर हो गई. And reason for that is there is a surprise at the end of this video for you people. So to organize that surprise, it took me a little time, and also I was just completing my trade in Dr. Reddy. So it was a good day, as I don't know how many of you have seen, and when I was saying that my target will be 2600. And yesterday also in my video I said that I was showing you people that I have seen that it is getting resistance, and I showed you it's getting resistance in 1 hour graph, right? I showed you yesterday somewhere here at this point. I showed you that I over here I told you yesterday that I've been able to see there is some kind of resistance that is applicable, that is getting manifested. So and then no wonder then yesterday फिर हम यहाँ पे भी यही बात बोल रहे थे, और फिर आज it just opened massively gap down, and can you see here it touched precisely 2600. That is what it touched. Let's go back here and see. I want to see exactly what was the least that it touched. It went to exactly 2600, right? How many of you have been referring to my videos, and I've been telling you that this will touch at least 2600. Then about Nifty. So Nifty is, I'll show you Nifty. Here is Nifty, and you see this is 5 minutes graph. Nifty का ये 5 minutes का graph है, और इसमें ये 200 मूविंग एवरेज है, और यहाँ से देखिए रेजिस्टेंस लग रहा है. यहाँ से आप देख सकते हैं ये रेजिस्टेंस लग रहा है, राइट? देन I have opened its 15 minutes graph also, and see here, I mean it is so very clear. 1 2 3 4 कैंडल्स इसने मतलब 1 घंटा जो है रेजिस्टेंस लगाई निफ्टी को, और उसके बाद निफ्टी जो है नीचे जाने लगी. अब ये देखिए इसको कहाँ तक नीचे एटलीस्ट जाना है, इसको अनदर करीब अभी कहाँ पे ये 9137 पे है, तो इसको एटलीस्ट कम से कम 20-30 पॉइंट्स और डेफिनेटली नीचे जाना चाहिए. हो सकता है और भी नीचे चले जाए अगर ये उसको भी ब्रेक कर देती है तो. सो this is how Nifty is going to be Nifty. Now see, as I told you, अगर Nifty नीचे है, अगर Nifty नीचे जा रही है, I will not look at Kotak Mahindra Bank. I will forget about it. That trade doesn't exist for me anymore. What will exist for me? Either Divis Laboratory, which has got a failure in a test in USA, or it's going to be Dr. Reddy. These are the two stocks that will be on my radar. I'll be watching them, and I will be only looking at them. Okay? And then once there is sign of reversal, when I feel now Nifty is planning to go up, then I may come back. Then I will come back to Kotak Mahindra Bank. Like when I identify a trade, it goes on for a good 2 3 4 days, 5 days. And I've been really getting a lot of emails, and there are so many encouraging emails that many of you have booked profit. Many of you have done trading which is not just the day trading, it is extending to about a few days, and people are you're recognizing the correct trades. So that is fine, but my concern is still, you people are only looking into technicals. You're just looking the resistances and the stops and the supports. But what I want you people to do is analyze a trade which is, like it's not just for 1 day or 2 days. It should be a long term, like 2-3 days, 4 days. Like if you remember Kotak Mahindra Bank, I started talking about it from 15th of March. और आज हो गई 21st March. I'm still talking about it. Like even LIC, if you look into it, I started talking when? Long back. I'm still talking about it. Like it's still in the profit zone. And then look at the Karur Vysya Bank, which I showed you. Aj, although Nifty is down, it is at 105. If you remember, I don't know how many of you remember, we talked about it at say about 86 or 85, right? That's where it is within a month. Somebody has asked me, that when one has to invest, do they need to look into Nifty? See, when you look into Nifty, you probably will save a few more points. You probably will get in the same amount a few more extra stops. Like the way I told you yesterday was this trade of APAR Industries. I have a few more which I've identified, which are very, very good trades, but I'm not going to talk about them today because today I'm also busy with my own trade. So I want to show you APAR Industries here. So if this is APAR Industries, which I know fundamentally is a good stock, which I know, in all respect, it's a good stock. So, had I bought it here, I would have felt bad. Like now it is available at 700 rupees. So if I know Nifty's stance, if I know Nifty's direction, I would also know usually the stocks travel in the same direction as the Nifty is traveling. So I would rather like to, protect my capital in the same amount. I would like to get more shares. So my entry and exit point becomes very, very, important. So just a little this thing I want to show you. My positions. See, I'm standing at 31,565 rupees of profit in Dr. Reddy. I've bought its put yesterday. I've bought it puts yesterday and see the amount of, I've just bought 400 puts, and what I bought it at a point, 25 rupees, and it gave me a profit. And again I bought it again today morning when I saw again signs of it going down. Again I bought it. So that is why you see this modified average price, which is 57.35, and still I'm standing here on the profit. So correct recognition of trade is very, very important. And guys, again, I want you to go back to the fundamentals, do your research for good 1, 2, 3 days, and then take up a trade. So let's go back before I close. Here is Nifty again. This is Nifty's 5 minutes graph. So here it did try to go up. This is all about profit booking. I want to show you one thing which I saw yesterday, and I thought when I make my next video, I'll talk about it. What happened yesterday? Here at this point, suddenly, from here, which was 9156, Nifty suddenly jumped to 9170. There was a huge jump of about 20 points. And, I had already taken a trade off, Nifty short, because I felt that this is, almost kind of a clear indication that Nifty may go down. Then when it shot, I didn't panic. I said this is all, in my heart I knew. See over here, Nifty again tried to go up quickly. Bulls and bears में fight हो जाती है यहाँ पे. So यहाँ पे भी बहुत फुर्ती से ऊपर जाने लगी थी, but suddenly इसको फिर वो resistance मिला and then it came down. Then again थोड़ी देर इसने लगा के फिर ऊपर जाने की कोशिश, suddenly with a huge power, but then again it was pulled back. But once this happened, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 candles in 5 minutes, then I was sure that it will go down. Now let me show you 15 minutes also. This is 15 minutes. Yesterday there was not very much clear indication about Nifty yesterday. But see today, 1, 2, 3, 4. All these candles are basically nothing but the resistance, right? Neither they are being able to go down because it's an indecisive mode. And this is, where I got clarity today. So again, I have, if I would show you, I have taken, puts of Nifty. 150 puts I have taken of Nifty. So this is how I am. Now I'm not looking at Kotak Mahindra Bank no matter what, because that will be riding against the tides. Tide is in the downward direction, so I have to take a trade which is in the downward direction. I don't care about Kotak Mahindra Bank now, right? So guys, now are you ready for the surprise? Just give me a second. So here's your surprise. Hi guys, good morning. So today is my 51st video, and I thought it's a good opportunity for me to give a face to this channel called Stock Pro. So here I am in front of you all, and really, I feel that each of you must learn to do the right trade, and that's my only intention. And the website will be soon ready, in a day or two itself, and then you can get all the various services that you're wanting. And all the best, guys, all the best. 2017 should be the beginning of the new universe for you people, so do really well. So all the best, all the best, all the best.